DTFF Volunteer Firefighter Podcast. Today we're at our training ground and going to do some training with another agency, and we thought we'd show you the smoke powder that we talk about quite often on the podcast. So it's sugar and saltpeter or potassium nitrate, and we'll see what it looks like. As you can see, it's just a little bit of powder. I'm going to put my mask on. Don't really need the gloves, but I will put them on anyways. Makes a little bit of light. Once we get going, you'll see how much smoke it makes. So as you can see, a very small amount of smoke, or powder, makes a lot of smoke. Inside in a confined environment, that's really going to help us with that realistic training environment. And you're left with some dew, if Carl wants to zoom in on that. And that's it. Don't do it in your house. Have a good day.